Got him.
That's a silver. Oh, that's definitely a silver. Take your time. Don't force him. Don't force him. When he feels calm, then bring him in. If he thrashes, then let him be. Like right now, he's cruising up, so you could probably realize he's cruising.
Oh, Daddy.
You're okay. He's probably gonna cruise all the way up here to the edge of the boat until he sees it, and then he'll go crazy. As soon as he sees you, he'll go nuts. Nice and easy. Keep your pole pointed upriver and a little bit low on this one. There you go. Nice and easy. Got a mosquito. Okay, keep coming. He's just cruising along, so just kind of keep reeling in.
Okay.
Okay, you're reeling a little bit more. Okay, he's gonna want to turn, so keep coming.
Okay.
Coming my way.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a nice silver. Okay. Oh. That was my fault. My fault. Let me see where he's at.
It's okay. It's okay.
He made a dash. Oops, where is he?
Oh,
Okay.
oh my gosh.
Try to point this way a little bit.
I'm working.
You don't reel in anymore. Just use your pole because you can see the other fish is actually.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
It's okay.
Okay. Good. Got him. He's in.
Yes!
Good job. Alright. Somebody got him earlier because his on the opposite side is a little bit chewed up. Nice silver.